Introducing the Panda Small Compact Portable Countertop Dishwasher. Ideally designed for the use of condos, apartments and houses. With a height of 43.8 centimeters, it perfectly fits under most of kitchen cabinets. The capacity of up to 6 place settings is suitable for singles, couples and small families. Now take a look at the features of the Panda Small Portable Countertop Dishwasher. Quick connection to any kitchen tap. 6 place setting capacity. 5 wash cycles, normal, heavy, light, speed, and soak. 3 layers of filter cleaning system, main filter, fine filter and coarse filter. Dual slots for adaptable amount of detergent loading, 15 and 25 grams. Simple electronic control. Fits under most kitchen cabinets. Delay time up to 8 hours. What are customers saying about the Panda Compact Portable Countertop Dishwasher? Check out the customer reviews now at bestbuydishwasher.com.